Welcome to the Smart Health Guide.
Your trusted place for staying strong, energized, and independent as you age. If you're over 60 and noticing your muscles aren't what they used to be, don't worry. You're not alone, and it's not your fault. The culprit? A silent process called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that affects 1 in 3 seniors. But the good news? You don't need expensive treatments or intense workouts to fight back. In today's video, we're revealing 3 natural powders that help rebuild strength, ease inflammation, and keep you active, all backed by science and easy to use at home. 1. Whey Protein, the muscle builder. Let's start with one of the most trusted and effective natural supplements out there, whey protein. Now don't let the gym ads fool you. Whey protein isn't just for bodybuilders. For adults over 60, it's a powerful tool for fighting muscle loss. Why? As we age, our bodies get less efficient at using the protein we eat. That's why even a good diet might not be enough. Whey protein delivers all 9 essential amino acids, and most importantly, it's rich in leucine, the key nutrient that turns on muscle repair. Think of leucine like a switch that tells your body it's time to rebuild. And the best part? It's easy to use. Just add a scoop of whey to water, almond milk, or your morning smoothie, ideally after light activity like walking or stretching. This helps your muscles recover when they're most ready to absorb nutrients. Choose a high-quality powder, preferably whey isolate or grass-fed concentrate, with no artificial sweeteners or additives. Look for at least 20 grams of protein per serving. Over time, daily whey protein can help you move easier, feel more balanced, and stay energized. No gym required. 2. Collagen Peptides, the connective tissue support. Next up, collagen peptides, the underrated secret to mobility after 60. You've probably heard of collagen in skin creams, but inside your body, collagen is the glue that holds your joints, tendons, and muscles together. After 50, collagen production drops, leading to stiff joints, slower recovery, and balance issues. Collagen peptides are broken down forms of collagen that your body can absorb quickly. They provide the raw materials for rebuilding connective tissue, helping you move more easily and confidently. Many older adults say things like, "I can finally get up from a chair without pain," or, "My walks are easier now." It's not magic, just consistent support. Just stir a scoop into your morning coffee, smoothie, or soup. No taste, no fuss. Aim for 10 to 20 grams per day, and for best results, take it with vitamin C, either from fruit or a small supplement. Look for collagen from grass-fed cows or marine sources and avoid products with fillers. Done daily, collagen can help you feel more stable, less achy, and ready to move again. 3. Spirulina Powder, the nutrient powerhouse. And finally, let's talk about a green powder with big impact, spirulina. This blue-green algae is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth, especially valuable for seniors who want more strength and energy. Spirulina is a complete protein, loaded with iron, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins, all essential for muscle repair and energy. Iron helps your muscles get more oxygen, while magnesium prevents cramps and helps your nerves fire correctly. If you've been feeling tired or sluggish, spirulina might be the boost your body needs. It also contains a rare antioxidant called phycocyanin, which reduces inflammation and helps protect your muscles from age-related decline. Start with just half a teaspoon a day and work up to 1 teaspoon. You can mix it with citrus juice, smoothies, or even water with lemon. And if the taste isn't for you, try tablets instead. Just be sure to choose organic, third-party tested spirulina, ideally grown in clean environments like Hawaii or California. This tiny algae supports circulation, detox, and endurance, all while strengthening your muscles naturally. So let's recap. To protect your muscles after 60, you don't need more pills or more workouts, just smarter nutrition. Whey protein fuels muscle rebuilding. Collagen peptides support joints and tendons. Spirulina delivers the micronutrients your muscles crave. Add just one of these to your daily routine, and you might be surprised at how much stronger and more energized you feel in just a few weeks. Thank you so much for joining us on the Inner Health Way. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on aging well, naturally. Stay strong, stay independent, and as always, keep moving forward.